Testing of Hyundai HGN12 ACB. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. For starters, we trip the air circuit breaker manually. Then we perform a short time delay or instantaneous test, and we see that the air circuit breaker trips instantly. Next, we perform a long time delay test, and we see that the air circuit breaker trips after about 15 seconds. Lastly, we trip the air circuit breaker manually with the help of the UVT. It is now clear that the air circuit breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.